Hello, good morning students. In previous video, we have started lesson number 8 pollution. Now today, we are going to study the remaining part of the lesson. Water pollution. First, we will discuss some can you tell questions. First question. From which water sources do we get the water suitable to us? We get water from sources such as rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, canals, etc. Second question. For which different purposes do we use the water? Yes, we need water for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and for farming and in industries. Third question. How much percent of the earth's area is occupied by water? We all know that 71% of the earth's surface is occupied by water. Fourth question. What are the reasons of water pollution? The reasons are the domestic waste, that is sewage, and industrial waste is released in water bodies. So the water will get polluted. Fifth question. Why does water is referred as molecule of life? Answer is surviving without water is impossible. No animal or plant can sustain life without water. Therefore, water is called as molecule of life. Water is said to be polluted when it becomes unclean and poisonous due to mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material, when it becomes harmful to living organisms due to decreased oxygen content, when epidemic diseases are spread through the water. Fresh water or marine water pollution includes physical, chemical, and biological changes. Water pollutants. First one, biological pollutants. Water does not remain potable due to algae, bacteria, viruses, parasites, etc. Diseases are spread due to biological pollutant. Now second one, inorganic pollutants. Suspended particles like fine sand, dust, soil, precipitates of salt, compounds of arsenic, cadmium, lead, mercury, and traces of radioactive material. Third, organic pollutants. Weedicides, insecticides, fertilizers, sewage, industrial effluents, that is industrial waste, etc. Reasons of water pollution. Natural reasons and man-made reasons. First of all, we will study about natural reasons. First point, aquatic weeds means plants. Depletion in oxygen level. Depletion means decrease in oxygen level. Changes in natural qualities of water. Second point, decomposing matter. Decomposing bodies of plant, animals. Third point, mud or sludge, river current and its diversion. Fourth point, soil erosion. Many biotic and abiotic factors are added to water due to soil erosion. Fifth point, microbes like fungi and bacteria grow on organic matter decaying in water. Sixth point, algae. Excessive algal growth pollutes water. Seventh point, nematodes. Nematodes means worms. Soil nematodes flow in water with rain water. Now we will study about man-made reasons. First point, domestic sewage. Domestic sewage from villages and cities is disposed of in river water. Second point, industrial effluent. Effluent means waste. Various pigments, bleaching chemicals, leather pieces, fibers, mercury, lead, etc. are released into water. Third point, oil spillage. While transportation, cleaning of tankers, oil spills into water. Fourth point, use of fertilizers and pesticides. NPK containing chemical fertilizers. Pesticides like endrine, chlorine, carbonate containing pesticides flow and mix with water. Fifth point, other reasons. Disposal of human waste, washing of clothes, decomposing hemp and flax in water, disposal of ashes, floral offerings to God, water from thermal power plant, etc. Effects of water pollution. First, effect on human being. Diseases like hepatitis, typhoid, diseases of skin and alimentary canal. Elements of liver, kidneys, brain, deformities in bones, hypertension. Second point, effects on ecosystem. Retarded plant growth. Plant growth will stop. Loss of plant species, increase in salt content of water, decreased dissolved oxygen level, disturbance in aquatic ecosystem, death of aquatic animals, adverse effects on sea birds. Third point, other effects. Changes in physical and chemical properties of water. Changes in natural color and taste. Useful aquatic fauna is destroyed. Soil fertility is affected. Toxic materials are added to crops. Soil pollution. Now we'll discuss, can you recall questions? What is meant by soil erosion? You already learned this in previous standard. The loss of upper fertile layer of the soil due to various reasons is called soil erosion. Second question, what are the reasons for depletion in soil fertility? There are certain natural changes or some man-made activities that cause loss of fertility of soil. Out of the total land area of the soil, some is covered by ice, some is desert, whereas some is occupied by mountains and hills. Very less area of land is available for human use. Soil is said to be polluted when there are changes in its physical, biological and chemical properties and its fertility decreases due to either natural or man-made reasons. Effects of soil pollution. First point, soil fertility decreases due to mixing of salty, acidic water from industry. Second point, radioactive and other pollutants enter and pass through food chain like the soil, crop, water and human body. Third point, problem of water pollution increases due to soil pollution. Toxic substances leach means mix into water. Similarly, diseases spread through various pathogens. Pathogens means harmful microbes. Relationship of soil pollution with air and water pollution. If wet waste is dumped at wrong places instead of composting, pathogens grow upon it, which are then mixed with water, causing water pollution. Insecticides, chemical fertilizers, weedicides are used in agriculture, which causes soil pollution. Excessively sprayed insecticides and weedicides are mixed with air, causing air pollution. Similarly, excessive use of chemical fertilizers causes water pollution. Soil pollution occurs due to mixing of human waste, birds, and animal waste. This releases various stinking gases causing air pollution. Some waste may cause water pollution if mixed with water. Pollution prevention and control. Government of India has enacted some laws for control, regulation and prevention of pollution. Following are laws regarding pollution control. First one, Water Pollution and Prevention Act 1974. Second, Air Pollution and Prevention Act 1981. Third one, Environmental Protection Act 1986. Various laws and rules are in force in relation to biomedical waste, harmful effluents, solid waste, and sound pollution. Government statutory bodies like Maharashtra Pollution Control Board and Central Pollution Control Board supervise about whether the industries, industrial areas, local governing bodies like municipalities, district councils, panchayat samiti, gram panchayat, etc. follow the laws about pollution control. I hope you have understood the topic. So for better understanding, read the topic once again